Looking for the best plants for your structured landscape? Understanding the ideal flora for your garden can be complex, considering factors like climate, soil type, and maintenance. Stay tuned as we reveal our top 5 picks for the best plants for your structured landscape. Our first choice is the versatile boxwood. This plant boasts small, dense, evergreen leaves and can thrive in a variety of climates. It's a favorite in formal gardens due to its easy maintenance. Boxwood, a classic choice for a structured landscape. Next on our list is the fragrant lavender. Lavender boasts stunning purple flowers and a soothing aroma. It's remarkably drought-tolerant, making it a hardy choice for your garden. It shines in borders and serves wonderfully as a ground cover. Lavender, a delightful addition to any structured garden. Our third pick is the resilient yew. This plant sports dark green needles and vibrant red berries. Known for its ability to withstand heavy pruning, yew is commonly used in hedges and topiaries for that extra touch of structure. Yew, a hardy choice for structured landscapes. Fourth on our list is the vibrant hydrangea. Renowned for its large, showy flowers, this plant thrives in rich, moist soil. Often used in borders or as a garden's focal point, its presence is undeniably eye-catching. Hydrangea, a showstopper for your garden. Finally, we have the elegant Japanese maple. Known for its graceful form and vibrant, colorful leaves, this tree prefers well-drained soil and thrives as a specimen tree. Its beauty is unmatched. Japanese maple, a stunning centerpiece for any structured landscape. Choosing the right plants can make all the difference in your structured landscape. From the versatile boxwood to the vibrant hydrangea, each of these top 5 plants brings a unique flair to any garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and advice. Happy gardening!